morning, student. This is chapter number 5, Basic 256 Graphics. Last year, till now, you have learned about the working of text in the Basic 256. Now, but this programming language also allow you to create and work with the graphics. Basic 256 also has command to produce a sound. In this chapter, we will discuss graphics and sound in Basic 2. Last year you have also seen the basic 256 in class 6, and this year also how to write a simple program as well as the program with the looping statements. This year you will learn how to draw a point, how to draw a line, how to draw a circle and the part of circle or any other drawing as such. So this is going to be interesting this year. So let us see one by one.
The graphics output area by default 300 pixel wide, say x-axis, by 300 pixel high on y-axis as shown in the figure alongside. The area is used to display the output of graphics in the program. Here you need to understand what is the pixel. Actually, pixel is composed by two words, picture and element. So pixel is the smallest dot that can be displayed on your computer screen. Each pixel can be represented by two numbers, say x coordinate and y coordinate. Thus the position of a pixel on a screen is given in the terms of x and y coordinate. Now there are so many statements also used in the graphics. First one in the series of that, CLG statement. The CLG statement clears the graphic output area. When you start a new drawing, you should erase the previous drawing. So it is used as a clear screen. Next one is the pen width command. The pen width statement is used to change the width of the drawing pen. This also leads to change in the width of the point or line that is created. If you do not want a border, you can set its value to be 0. The syntax of statement is like this: pen width, leave one space and some number. So that number decides the width of pen unit. Next one is the color statement. The color statement is used to specify the color of with which the graphics will be created on the graphics output area. The syntax of this statement is color followed by the color name or color, say RGB value. RGB stand for red, green, blue. The value also can be entered. After that, or the other option is color, outline color, fill color. By putting comma, you can use either of these way. The table 5.1 also will be helpful while programming. Table 5.1 shows some of the color name and with their RGB values. So here you can see the color name, RGB value, color name and RGB value. So black, white, red, and there are so many colors. You can go through that while programming. If the color statement mentioned in a single color, then both the outline and the fill colors of the sharp are the same as the mentioned color. If the two colors are specified as per the third syntax statement, then the figure will have a different outline and fill colors. Next is the line statement. This is going to be interesting. That means if you assign the two coordinate, the line can be drawn. The line statement is used to draw line from one pixel to another. The syntax of line statement is given as below: line x1, y1, x2, y2, where x1 and y1 are the beginning coordinates and x2, y2 are the end coordinates of the line. So if you try in this way, the line can be drawn. Also, using the line statement, you can do so many types of drawing. For example, you can draw a square, you can draw a rectangle, you can draw any other regular figure like pentagon or hexagon. Also, you can learn many things through the line statement. means any kind of geometrical figure can be drawn. In the next session, we'll see some more command directly like circle, rectangle command, and many others. So in the meantime, you are requested to practice in this way. So
this way we come to the end of first session, and I request you to follow these lines, these commands which are given in your book with the example, and you try on your computer. First of all, you download basic 256 version if it is not available in your computer, and then try to solve some programs. And let's see next time the remaining part. Thank you very much.